Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these super cute ornaments to hang up for like display in Heartopia. This is what they look like. Here I have a few in my inventory. If I could just, there we go. Like these ones here. Okay, I'll show you this one. I'll carry it because I have to carry it to show it to you guys. So basically you have to be level 3 with your animals, with the animals in Heartopia. Basically you're just going to want to feed them the food that they like or just the food that they eat. You'll see in a minute. I'm lagging because I just got in the game. But I'm almost there. I'm almost level 3 with this ferret. So hopefully I reach that level and I'll be able to show you guys. So feed your pets, feed the animals through their troughs. Just going to feed it. Actually, let's do eggs because it's their favorite. Might have more points. And as you can see, I have the observing ferret ornament in doing so. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. You are also able to get one once you've reached level 7 here again. I don't know the difference though. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.